Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the last competency of the posterior abdominal wall, the muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. So there are three muscles I want you to remember. We have the psoas major and minor with the quadratus lumborum. This is quadratus lumborum you're seeing. This is the psoas major and minor. Let us see first origin insertion. Okay, so psoas major. This is coming from T12 to L5 here. T12 to L5. Sorry, L1 to L5. Okay. L1 to L5 origin in small slits. Insertion is into the lesser trochanter. Same as that of iliacus. Okay. Please don't mind the iliacus here. It will insert into the lesser trochanter. It is supplied by the subcostal and L1, L3 nerves. Okay. All of these will flex the trunk. Extra add here. It depresses the 12th rib. Okay. Because it's just below the 12th rib. Let us see the minor. Minor is coming from T12. Okay. Inserting into the pubic symphysis. Remember this. T12 to pubic symphysis. Supplied by L1. Okay. And I told you the functions. All will do the flexion of the trunk. Okay. Now quadratus lumborum, that's the last one. Actually it is L3 to L5 origin. L3 to L5 insertion into the iliac crest over here. Okay. Supplied by subcostal L1, L3. Okay. Sorry, actually psoas major is L2, L3. I told this one. But this is the quadratus lumborum. Subcostal L1, L3. That's the nerve supply. Okay. So these are the muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. References from where I took the images. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.